Hey there, gamers! Are you tired of sitting in an uncomfortable chair while gaming or working? Do you want to take your gaming experience to the next level? Well, look no further because we have the perfect solution for you, the gaming chair with footrest and massage lumbar support. This gaming chair is designed to provide you with ultimate comfort and support. The ergonomic design, flexible headrest, and massage lumbar pillow will keep you feeling refreshed and energized, even after long gaming sessions. The high-quality materials and BIFMA-certified metal base ensure durability and stability, so you can game with confidence. But it's not just about comfort, it's also about style. This gaming chair features a sleek design and cool color that will elevate the look of your gaming setup. Whether you're a pro gamer or just gaming for fun, this chair is the perfect addition to your gaming room or office. And the best part? It's easy to assemble. With clear instructions and marked parts, you'll have your new gaming chair set up in no time. So why wait? Upgrade your gaming experience with the gaming chair with footrest and massage lumbar support. Click the link in the description to get yours today and start enjoying the comfort and support you deserve while gaming. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Choose Homel and elevate your gaming experience. Let's level up together.